Hello and welcome to my channel. Are you stressed with work? Is your country under lockdown? Are you eating your feelings away? If you are, chances are you're constipated. If you are constipated, then try this recipe as it is endorsed and tested by me, a random guy on the internet.
For this recipe, these are the ingredients that you need. All you need to do is just blend all these ingredients into a smoothie. These ingredients are chosen for their nutritious properties: natto for the probiotic, psyllium husk and chia seeds for the soluble fiber, raspberry for the antioxidant, spinach for the chlorophyll, bananas for the potassium, and stevia for the sweetness without the calories. This smoothie really does help me alleviate constipation, and I hope it helps you guys. As they say, healthy gut, healthy life.